Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix remote desktop connection error, CredSSP Encryption Oracle Remediation. So many users get this error after Windows update when you try to use the remote desktop connection with other Windows computer. So first thing that you have to do is just go to search box and type run and then type gpedit.msc and then click on it. And now some people might not have this local group policy editor. Either you can search how to install it, or if not, then I have another method, those who don't have this one. So let's try. Let me show you first this one. So just expand, just choose the computer configuration, this one. Let me hide this one just to make it clear, and choose the administrative templates, expand it, and then expand system, this one. And now you have to choose a third one which says credential delegation. Click on it, and then you will see here on the right side the third option which says encryption oracle remediation. Just double click on it, and then now choose enabled, and then select the protection level as vulnerable, and then click on apply, and then click on OK, and then restart your system, and then you can check the error. So hopefully that will fix the issue. If not, then go to search box and type registry, and then you will see here Registry Editor. Click on yes for user account control. Now we have to expand the HQ local machine, but before we do anything, I highly recommend backup the Registry Editor. So to do that, make sure this computer icon is highlighted, and then click on file, and then click on export, this one, and then name whatever you want to name it. Make sure to make it easy, maybe you name it with the registry, or with the month or date or something like that, and October, so you can do it like that. And make sure this export range is selected as all, this one, and then you can save it wherever you want to save it. And if something goes wrong, then whenever you want to use that backup, again go to file, and then this time click on import, and then whatever you have saved that file, you can get that, and then click on open, and then you will be able to use that. So now we have to expand. First thing we have to do is expand HKey local machine, expand it, and then expand software. Now expand Microsoft. Now we have to look for Windows. So expand it. And then now we have to check for a current version. So this one, expand it. And now we have to check for policies. So this one, expand it. And then expand system. Now you can see I have just two options here. So what we have to do is we have to enter a new key. So just make a right click on it, and then choose a new, and then key. Now you have to name this CredSSP, and then again make a right click on it, and then add another new key. So select new and then key. So this key comes under CredSSP, and then this time name it as parameters. Now make a right click on it, and then choose the new, and then choose a dword 32-bit value. Now you see here, so name this new value as allow encryption Oracle. Now I have this value data as 0, so some might have 1 or 0, whatever the value is, so we have to modify it. Make a right click on it, and then click on modify. Now change this value data to number 2, and then click on decimal, and then click on OK. Now restart your system and check the error. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos in future.